Hello everyone, welcome back again in my channels. Today I'm going to discussing about the how to convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit using the Python programming language. So okay my guys, let's get started with my video. Let's go on the screen. So you are my guys, how to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Here have the simple rules to apply in here, and it's easy to convert your Celsius to any numbers to Celsius to any values to into the Fahrenheit. Okay, so now I just to take a value here have just to take as a variables to in here. Variable is like a collections of the it's like multiples data types that's called the variables. Here have I just to define the declared as a variables name is the values, so I just to input functions, and so input functions, and so I just use these the float data types, and so now we enter the Celsius, okay, Celsius VAL values, okay, and then here have you can see my friend, and so now Fahrenheit's values is to just give to now C times to 1. Here have just use need to use the formula to convert the Celsius into the Fahrenheit 1.8, and so plus 32, okay, and so now okay, Celsius V, okay, VA values, okay, sorry, not the C. Here have just the values because Celsius to just enter the in within these two values variables. So now for this is the Fahrenheit values, so now here have the values like variables values times 1.8 plus 32, this is the converted into Fahrenheit. So now I just want to print str string data types to here have so values, value is values variables within the string data types to store the you can see, and so print str string data. So here have also Fahrenheit variables, so have also be a string data types to store within this. So now I just to print out this, and so you can see my all of my friend. However, so now I just want to display this programs within this my screen using the Python programming language. Okay, the 5.py, you can see here have something new problems to create within the here. So Python 3 the 5.py, okay, line 2 in module float here have just two simple problems, okay, just now input enter the Celsius value, okay. Again you can see here have simple problems to display in our screen. You can easy to visible, you can easy to saw this, you can easily so visible this all the problems, all the errors, so what kind of errors to display on your screen you can easily so enable that problems so during your programs, during the run your program. So now you are all my friends here have just I just use these values as a variables to use in here, and here have this here have use I use this float data types to, okay, float type of data type use the in here, and so input functions to so now input functions to always to enter the any values from the users, so enter the Celsius values you according to the input functions. And so now next variables is I just to declare the f, and so because I just to now so okay, you can easily you can use this Celsius variable. Also you can type and so here just changes the values and every step, and so here have also be changes these values. Okay, Celsius variables and Fahrenheit variables to declare the C and F, and so here have just to use the simple formula like Celsius, this Celsius into 1 point times to 1.8 plus 32. This formula is to Celsius to convert into the Fahrenheit, and so print str string data types to into the Celsius and Fahrenheit to print. In here you can see I just want to print out this my I just want to save this my program, and so now run my this programs in right now. Okay, so yeah, I just here have to enter the Celsius value. I just to type the Celsius value is 45 degrees Celsius to type here, and to 45 degrees Celsius to convert it into the 113 is to convert into Fahrenheit. It's called the it as the successfully so converted into the Fahrenheit, Celsius to Fahrenheit using the Python programming. It's a very easiest programming language, so you can also be try this to convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit, all of you my guys. Okay, so now this is simple my in day 5 Python programming running. So class is the having the so today is the something new different so topic. Okay, something new different topic about just to so discussing about so what as the typecasting, and so what type of typecasting to use in the Python programming language. So now you can see I just want to the comment out these programs. Okay, and so you can see typecasting, typecast casting in Python. What is the typecasting? Typecasting is the conversion of the any value of data into the another data types. That's called the typecasting. Okay, any conversion of any value of the data and into another data type, say called typecast casting. Okay, so typecasting is the conversion the value of the any data into the another data. That's called the typecasting. Here have the in Python programming language. So typecasting is generally divided into two types. So now types of type of cast casting. Number 1, implicit type cast casting. So what is the implicit? Implicit type cast. Implicit typecasting is conversion the any data conversion of any data by using the computer. Okay, computer computer. That's called the implicit data type. Implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting is the type of the casting in Python programming language. So implicit typecasting is the what is the implicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting is the conversion of the any data by using the computer. That's called the implicit typecasting. For example, okay, example of implicit with program. Okay, program. So now you can see here have just to type the 1 2 3, and so print so type print type, and here have already. Okay, here have automatically convert the okay this data types convert by using the computer, automatically converted by the computers. This called implicit data type. So you can see, I just want to display that this data, what kind of data type this is all automatically converted by the computers. Okay, so now you can see this is the integer data types. So now I just want to type this type of just this integer data types to so in okay typed integer data types to stored within this the inverted comma. This what's kind of data type to display to use the in your programs. If you want to display the in here, you can see this is the string. Why this is integer, this is a string? Because here have the, if you typed any data, any values within the this inverted comma, that's data type is called the string data type. So if you stored stored as a 1 2 3 the values integer data within the any variables just store the so you check out the typed typed using the print functions. So automatically so converted by using the computers. So automatically to display the type of the that's data types to using the automatically computers to integer, string, float, that's type, and that's it. Okay, you can see 1.223 what's type of data types to displayed in here. You can see this is the float data types. This types of programs is the converted automatically converted by the computer, directly converted by computer. That's called the implicit data type. So now I also this program also I just do now to coming out right now. And so again next one is the explicit explicit data typecasting. Typecasting. What is the explicit typecasting? Conversion of the value of data type into another data type by you as a user. That's called explicit data type. Explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting conversion by the computer, and explicit data type is explicit typecasting is the conversion of the data into the another data type by the converted by user, like as a users, like as a programmers to convert the any data by the users or programmers like you and me. Our require according to our requires the our needed to convert the any data. If we need to convert the any data according to our requirements, in our project you can easily convert that's data. That's called there have used the explicit typecasting. So your program this type of typecasting is normally automatically you understand the upcoming your programming journey, because it as the it as the day to day using the using typecasting, using the using more importance more requirements programs. So now I just to explaining about the implicit the typecastings programs right now. Here just display the I just want to display the simple programs to run using the implicit typecastings right now. Let's go. Everyone, my friends, be concentrate to to run the any programs with me, to go with me. Okay, so now I just to type here simple programs. You can see sec as a variables to select these variables. As a variable sec is variables. You can whatever type of variables you also be typed in your programs. So now I just to take a variable's name is sec, and so you can see I just want to here type this values. Okay, this values, this variables is stored at this the integer data, but this is stored within this inverted comma, okay. So now I just to I just want to display that this data type is we know that this is the string data type, but we want to display the integer data type. We want to display the this data type is the is the integers on your screen. If you want to display this data type in the integers, what the technique using the thing implicit typecasting. So now users, I just to take these variables users, and so I enter int, and so take, okay, and so print tab, and so you as user. So you can see this is this type of program as the also make out convert it by the users, because here have using the users to also very forcefully to make this string data types to make out this integer data types with stored within this users variables, because the users converted that's all the data types to by the users. So that reasonsly here have the results is needed to display the integer data types, and here have not to display the string data types, but here have the sec variable is stored as a string data types, but we need to display the as a data type as a integer data types. So now we need to users want to the integer data type with this string data type. So now you can see I just want to display this program. So here have a string data type integer data types to display the in here. Finally, this is the explicit data type. This is converted by users, and you can see here have the automatically converted by the computer that called the implicit data implicit typecasting. Okay, my friend, to this my videos is over, and so I think I hope so you are all the my friend also be so cleared about the typecasting. So two types of implicit and explicit, and the simple program